Hello guys, it's me again, Tori, and today we are drawing the rainbow umbrella. There is a video from our channel at the bottom left, so if you're interested in it, don't forget to check out our channel.
The farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife. The farmer takes the wife. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The farmer takes the wife. The wife takes the child. The wife takes the child. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The wife takes the child. The child takes the nurse. The child takes the nurse. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The child takes the nurse. The nurse takes the cow. The nurse takes the cow. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The nurse takes the cow. The cow takes the dog. The cow takes the dog. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The cow takes the dog. The dog takes the cat. The dog takes the cat. Hi-ho, the dairy-o. The dog takes the cat. The cat takes the mouse. The cat takes the mouse.
That was a cool drawing. Don't forget to subscribe to get new videos. See you.